One of the things I hate the most when I'm out playing is that I'm out of battery packs. They've all been used and no way to recharge them. Well, you can buy a big lipo, you can buy a big Reliant pack, which is super expensive, or you can choose the more dangerous way and build your own with 18650s. And that is what we're going to do today. So watch me hopefully not blow something up. So for this we are going to need a voltmeter, soldering iron, solder of course, battery holders for the 18650s, a balance wire 6S, battery indicator because it's fairly easy and it has a button connected to it, nickel strips, the batteries, lots of them, and a point welder. Let's start off with the battery holders. I've put them together to fit 4x6. I'm gonna make a 6S out of this. The batteries are now sorted from the highest to the lowest, 2440 to 2330. So I'm gonna take 2 from the top and 2 from the bottom and put that on one cell and do the same for all the 6 cells, and then I'll put it into the spreadsheet and we'll see if it equals out. Looking over on the spreadsheet, I've put all the batteries on the column A here and I'll spread them out on the different cells and they equal out pretty good. The total here ends up at 56,000 milliamps. We're not going to get that much out of it, but we'll see how many packs we can charge. Now let's build this thing. Now that we have all the cells organized, we're going to just put the lid on them. Wiggle, wiggle, and squeeze it a little bit. It's gonna be a big pack. Good. These are used 18650s, by the way, and I've tested all of them over a long period of time, and of 100, these are the ones that actually were usable. Nickel strips up next. So since I'm doing a 6S build, we're gonna do a plus on this side, minus and plus over here on the nickel strips. Then over here again, these two, then those two, then these two, then those two, and minus out here. Plus, minus, let's get done. I'm going to be using 2 different kinds of nickel strips. I'm going to be using the single for the start and the end, but I'm going to be using doubles for the ones that are going to be double, so I don't have to do singles and crossover and stuff like that. Sorry about the beeps, but it's quite loud. Good, that's one strip. I'll get the rest of them done and I'll catch you back soon. And we're done. Here we have plus, goes over to minus to plus again, and all the way around. .8, that equals success. Great success. Since I'm not smart enough to use a BMS, I'm going to use only a balance wire between the plus and minus, or in between the cells, so I can balance charge the cell without the BMS. And that's next. Now here comes the really sketchy part. We have to solder a little ball plus side and the negative side, and on all the different negative sides on this as well, so the balance cord will go on the side here. I don't like the 18615s and the heat, so when you go in quick and get out again, so it doesn't get too hot. Before I tin, I go over all the places where I'm supposed to tin. Now I solder and I make some scratches in the nickel so the solder will catch better, because this is scary. Looks kind of sketchy, doesn't it? But it looks good. It does what it's supposed to do, hopefully. The only thing now we're missing is the button. Hold on.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
I just remembered that this one is for 4S actually. We're just gonna go with the pack as it is, and I'll just use my lipo checker to see how it goes on. Now let's wrap this in tape first to kind of make it a little safer, and then we'll put some shrink wrap around it. All taped up, nothing exposed, just like we want it. A little bit more safety is key. So let's see how many cells we have. This is gonna be loud, sorry. 6 cell, 24.9, 416, 416, 4, 418, 12, and 17. And that's gonna be balanced now very shortly. For some more safety, I'm going to use 2 layers of the shrink wrap. I'm going to have one this way first, tuck it in, and then I'm going to have one this way, I think, so I cover all the sides and it's more protected. Now for the test, let's see how many batteries we can get with this pack. Made it out to the windy field. I've got 8 1200 packs charged with the battery pack. I did that at home, so that's 8 packs so far. Brought the charger, and hopefully my wish is to get at least 10 packs out of the pack, but we'll see. Just gonna fly, have fun, and enjoy this lovely weather. Finally, summer is close. I guess the conclusion is 10 batteries. That's not bad at all actually for a field charger. So if you bring 8 batteries and you can field charge 10, you're going to be out all day and you're going to be tired by then. So yes, it kind of worked. I'm going to be using this forward. Probably not, but it was fun to build. It wasn't risk-free, probably why it was fun. If you have the time to do the checks on all the batteries, to get all the stuff you need, then why not? It's batteries, so be careful. You're probably better off getting a lipo, connecting to your car's battery or some other different source of power. But fun. Yeah, I will never say never, but I will probably not do this again. Probably. Now I'm gonna head home, have some food, fix some quads, and enjoy the rest of the evening. Hope you guys are having a great day as well. Bye! Whoa.